Yo, I just got a fragrance package from Olfactory, factoryllc.com. But is this site actually legit? One of the goals of this channel is to not only give you no hype, no BS fragrance reviews, but also to save you money, and that means highlighting different websites and fragrance discounters that offer these fragrances at a more affordable price, because fragrances are expensive. And with the skyrocketing cost of designer fragrances, not to mention the already steep cost for niche perfumery, saving every dollar matters. So you don't have to experiment with your money, you can experiment with mine.
I talk that big shit cause I back it up. I talk that big cash cause I stack it up. I talk that big shit cause I back it up.
Yo, I'm Bobby Vizual. I review fragrances with a no hype, no BS approach. I've been testing different retailers to see which ones are actually worth you spending your hard-earned money. Today, I'm unboxing a order that I placed with Olfactory, Factory LLC. This review was not sponsored. It's my own opinions, and I've spent my own money to order this fragrance to bring you this review. All right, let's bring out the package and see what I actually ordered and how it arrived. Here's the package. It's shipped from USPS. I received this package in 3 business days exactly. Let's get it open. All right, here we got the package open. All right, so what exactly did I order? Xerjoff Naxos. This is a fragrance I've been wanting to get for a long time, and Olfactory, Factory LLC had it at a phenomenal price. I picked this up for $155 exactly. No tax and free shipping right to the door. You have the option of choosing shipping insurance, which I didn't choose, and I got it, and so far, so good. Package looks good, not damaged. This right here, open a little bit, but that's not a big deal. It's just the outer packaging. The main packaging, so far, pristine. That's what it looks like. Xerjoff still comes wrapped in plastic. Shipping came really fast. If you guys want to use the shipping insurance when you order, just to feel a little safe, go ahead. If the couple dollars it costs gives you peace of mind, then you go ahead and you get the shipping insurance. Honestly, insurance can't hurt. I didn't use it, so I'm just being transparent. And my package arrived just fine. Everything looks to be legit. I have one other Xerjoff fragrance. Packaging looks similar. Packaging with Xerjoff is always top notch. And it comes in this nice leather case. You open this and it sits in there like a coffin. All right, and here's the bottle. Heavy cap that snaps on. It doesn't have a magnetic cap, but it does have a really sturdy cap. Get a spray on skin. I smelled Naxos a lot. I've had a decan of it. This is 100% Naxos, 100% legit product. This is a beautiful honey, tobacco, lavender fragrance. This fragrance is so good. I can't believe it's taken me this long to actually add a full bottle, but this is one I couldn't go another fall or winter without having. And because Olfactory Factory LLC had it currently at such a great price at $155, I knew I couldn't chance the price going up, and I had to pull the trigger now before the fall season hit. And this is just such a beautiful standout fragrance. And I know from just having a decant of Naxos that the performance is beast mode. So is Olfactory Factory LLC a legit discounter? Yes, they are a completely legit discounter. They have fast shipping, some of the best prices for niche fragrances on the internet. If you're interested in picking up a bottle of Xerjoff Naxos, I do have an affiliate link down in the comments. I will receive a small commission if you purchase a bottle through my affiliate link, but it's to no extra cost of you. You'll still pay the same price. It's just an added way for you to be able to support the channel and allow me to be able to do these videos. Also, if you found this video valuable, even if you don't purchase a bottle through one of my affiliate links, all you have to do to support me and my channel and help it grow Just hit the like button on the video and subscribe. That will help my channel grow tremendously, and it's free and doesn't cost you anything. Also, I want to be completely transparent with this. This is not my first order with Olfactory Factory LLC. I've actually ordered from them many times, and it's always the same experience. Fast shipping, great prices, always authentic product, and never any hassle or any issues. So that's all I got for you now. Let me know down in the comments if you like a complete full review and breakdown of Xerjoff Naxos, which I guarantee you is gonna be at the top of my rotation this fall or winter. All right, thanks fam, peace.